Hey guys, I'm Dave. Today we're going to take my 1948 Plymouth Special Deluxe on its maiden voyage. From my house in the county where I built it to my workshop in the city where I'm going to complete the work. It's a 20-mile journey past cops, potholes, highways, byways, angry dogs, fighting people, zombies. You don't know. Stick around. It's going to be awesome. You're watching Parts and Restoration. All right, let's get this thing on the road. 4 pumps. I've been tuning on this thing the last week or so. Most of the work's already done on the engine as far as rebuilding, but it's been running a little funny. I realized that my timing was way off, so having a vacuum gauge made a big difference. I was able to get the timing issue squared away, and that resolved my problem. My timing is much better now. Feels good. Okay, so my neighborhood is full of stop signs, just about all like 200 feet apart. So we're just going to be cruising around at first. Here we go, let's get in a second. There we go, kind of cool. Just put a full tank of gas in this thing, use some of that lead oil additive. Hopefully that will help with some of my valve issues that I've been having initially with this thing. Gotta watch that reverse gear. It likes to hit it every time. I like to hit it. Not too like stiff, nice and soft, which is nice. Also, the seat cushion is really stringy. Runs nice and third, it's pretty quiet. You can call having a fluid master exhaust to have anything but quiet. Black smoke on the horizon. Philadelphia's got a fire. Yeah, it's got that nice burning leather smell. Giving the frame and suspension a little bit of a test out. Got time for that.
Get your ass in. Where you get that car from? I need to polish that too.
A very bumpy bus ride today, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
So we're in Philadelphia now. We're just crossing to Philadelphia from Delaware County. as it gets faster, it's a little, you can feel those bias ply tires a little bit. They're a little wobbly, which is a little freaky. I'm not used to that. Does not want to go into first when it's got any kind of RPM on it. I guess that's probably just how things go. Right by Philadelphia International Airport right now. We're going to go across the Penrose Avenue Bridge to put us in South Philadelphia, which is close to where my shop is. Doing about 45 right now, not too bad. About 55. This is probably just about top speed. Well, we're also going uphill too. Major shaking. I don't like that. Temperature's maintaining about 170, 175. Perfect. Love it. And it is beautiful out. A little bit of a burny smell. Not sure what that is. Okay, so we're about to make a turn here. It's going to put us down around the Philadelphia Sports Complex, home of the Phillies, the Eagles, and the 76ers, and there's the other one. I'm not a sports fan. Flyers. There we go. Tell you what, this thing doesn't need floors. This car is big fun. I'll tell you what, especially with the story behind it. So, I bought this car from a dude on Facebook. I didn't really even buy it from him. I traded him a 1998 Chevy pickup truck for this car. Cash trade, straight up. And the deal was, he had bought the car in my neighborhood. Literally like 6 blocks from where I live. He bought this car. He drove it there, he trailered it home. It didn't run. He trailered it home like an hour and a half to New Jersey. And I find this car and I brought it back to my neighborhood. Got it running. What have I done to this car? I put a new engine in it, which I had to rebuild. The engine that came stock in this car, the crankshaft was seized. And I wasn't able to get that squared away. And I just didn't want to put all the money into machining it. So, wound up buying a new engine that had that was turn free. I rebuilt that. You can see in the videos in the description. I'll have links to those. And I put a new fuel tank in it, new fuel lines, new brake lines. I had the brake drums turned. I've reupholstered this seat, which is just temporary. But what else? I cleaned the whole thing out. The inside of this thing was absolutely atrocious when I got it. But the next step in the restoration of this car is going to be steel floors. There's a lot of holes in the floors. It's not very safe or solid. And I just want to get that squared away ASAP. Right there at 12 o'clock we have the SS United States, which is a historic ocean liner, which has been in port here in Philadelphia for decades. As you can see, it's falling apart. The paint is worn away. Apparently someone has purchased the SS United States. You're going to need more than wire brushes, one guy with a wire wheel. He needs everything. Everything. South Philly is tight. Everything. Super duper tight down here. I gotta get some curb feelers so I can bring this thing out without just annihilating my cool dogfish hubcaps. Did it. We're here. Welcome home. We're going to be putting new floors in this thing. We're going to be doing all the sheet metal repair on the rockers, on the fenders. This thing is going to leave here in even better shape than it is right now. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Parts and Restoration. I'm Dave. Thanks again for watching. Hey guys, I'm Dave. Hey guys, I'm Dave. Jeez, A 1948 Plymouth from my house to my workshop. My 1948 Plymouth resto mod from, is it a resto mod? It's like not anything. Hey guys, I'm Dave. That's on its maiden voyage. Maiden voyage. Just. Hey guys, I'm Dave. After months of restoration, I'm gonna, about a 45-minute trip on its maiden voyage after its restoration. Today we're gonna take my P15 Plymouth Special Deluxe. Oof. Shop in South Philly, a 30-minute trip with, fuck. From my house where I did the restoration work on the engine and hey guys, I'm Dave. Today we're gonna an intense 20-mile trek over highways and byways, past police, road bumps, angry dogs, vicious people. Hey guys, I'm Dave. Jesus. Stick around. You're watching Parts and Restoration. Do I make it? Do the cops pull me over in this unregistered vehicle? Hey guys, I'm Dave. Jesus. It's about a 20-mile journey over highways and byways, rough terrain, aliens, artillery shells exploding. Just stick around. It's going to be awesome. You're watching Parts and Restoration.